So class, in the previous video we have learned how to create a report in SAP ABAP and to print hello world. So there are some points which we performed earlier, like we use Control plus S or save icon to save our code in the report in the ABAP development task as ABAP, and after that we click on the activation button, which shortcut keys were Control plus F3, and then we use F8 function key, and for, as we can see again, this was the output of our program. This was the description of our Z hello 1 program, and this is the line which we print in our report. So these were all the steps which we performed in last video. So there are some points which needs to be noted. As long as you do not activate a new report or activate or change to an existing report, it is not relevant to their user. It will not be available to other users to use it unless or until it is activated. This is very important to activate your program and report so it can be usable along the application server. So let's see another thing, viewing the existing code. So when you have created your program and in the future you just want to view it, or you want to do some modification, or there is some update requirements, for what you have to do for that. If you look at the field program and double click on the values at hello 1, the ABAP editor will display the code for your report. This is called forward navigation. Double clicking on object name opens that object in an appropriate tool. So now let's perform this example live in our SAP GUI. So let me close this. Again we will move to transaction SE38 and enter. Now this is at hello 1. Double click on this. Either you can double click, and here is a display button, just click on it, and here it is your previously created reports at hello 1 in non-editable mode. Currently it is disabled for any kind of editing. You cannot write anything to it. So this is the way through which we can view our existing code and perform changes in it. So let's try to print another line and see what it brings. So when we view our existing code and we want to do some modification or changes in that report, here is a pencil button with shortcut key is Control plus F1. We will just press it, and now it will come into editable mode. We can do any kind of changes in our this program. So let's try to write another line. I am doing changes and press period and activate it. Object is activated. There are no errors found. And now let's press F8 or direct processing button. So here you can say it has printed the new line which I just added in the code alongside hello world. So hello world exclamation, I am doing changes exclamation. So this is how you can edit already existing source codes and view them and do changes in them. So here our this was the overview of our SAP ABAP editor, and thank you for watching this video.